Hello everyone, my name is Tariq and welcome to Whizlabs. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty Certification. Over 90% of world's data was generated in last 5 years. Companies and organizations are mad over churning information out of it, and hence demand for data analytics specialists have just skyrocketed. Whizlabs helps you in preparing for this certification by giving you access to some very well defined practice tests that you can take once you are done with your preparation. Let me show you how. So we'll go to our platform, which is whizlabs.com, go to courses, cloud computing, Amazon AWS, and AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty Certification. Enhance your skills of building, designing, maintaining, and securing AWS based analytics solutions that provide insight from data to achieve AWS Data Analytics Specialty Certification. As you can see that this course is already taken by almost 650 learners and has an overall rating of 4.5 stars. So let's just check that out. So all these rating and testimonials, these are from a certified learners. So pretty cool, right? Alright, coming back to our course, here are some highlights for you. This course comes with 3 full-length mock exams that expose you to over 190 questions, and all these questions are completely unique. AWS expert support to answer all your queries, and you also get lifetime access to this course once you purchase. If you're still in doubt, scroll down to our FAQ section that answers almost all your questions regarding the exam and the product, technical aspect of the exam, any general query about the certification, payment information, and if your query is still not answered, you can reach out to us using our support platform. Before you decide to buy this course, Whizlabs lets you take a practice test completely free of cost. Let me show you that. Go to Access Now, and you would be asked to log in. So if you have an account, log in with it or sign up for one. You can also log in with your Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn account. So let me sign in with my account and see you on the other side. Before I proceed, I must tell you that you can access Whizlabs Platform across all Android and iOS devices, so you can learn on the go. Coming back, this is how the console looks once you're logged in. The Practice Test tab is where you have all your practice tests. Here you see the 3 full-length mock tests with 65 questions each. These tests span and cover all the important sections for the certification. Now let's go and start a free test by clicking this free button over here. So you are taken to this screen that shows some exam details like the number of questions, time allotted, maximum marks, and the passing percentage. Down below are some exam instructions which I would recommend you to read before proceeding, and it also shows any of your previous attempts if you have taken. Now let's press this Start Exam button and it will prompt you to start the quiz in practice mode. So I'll show you what starting the quiz in practice mode means by checking this button and starting the quiz. So this is how the test console looks. So you have your question over here, your options down below. This grid of number actually lets you traverse through questions quickly. So if I want to go to question 8, I can do that simply by clicking number 8. And you would normally have your timer running over here, but since we have started the quiz in practice mode, there is no time limit. You see this show answer button? So this is the feature you get when you start the quiz in practice mode. So if I click this button, you see it shows me the correct answer of this question. Although Whizlabs provide you the correct answer of each question with detailed explanation at the end of the test, but with this feature you don't actually have to wait for the test to end. Also, if you're confused about any question or are in doubt and would want to come back to that question later, you can mark that question for review by clicking this Mark for Review button, and a red circle would appear around that question. That makes it easy for you to come back to it later. Now let's answer a few questions and see our result summary. Let's click this review attempt and click submit. Once you submit the test, you're taken to this report card page of yours. At the top is the concise report that tells you the number of attempts you have taken for this particular test, marks obtained in this test, your score, time taken, and your final result. Scroll below more and you have a domain-wise breakup of the exam, which shows how many questions came from which domain, how many you got correct, how many you got incorrect, and how many you just didn't attempt. Scroll below more and you have a detailed review of each question. Whizlabs provide you the correct answer and detailed explanation for the same. Using this filter over here, you can choose what kind of question you would like to review. If there's an ambiguity related to any question or you are not satisfied with the answer, you can reach out to our AWS experts by clicking Ask the Expert button over here. You need to select the type of query you have and provide the detailed explanation for the same, and we will get back to you. You can also provide the feedback for any question using these emojis. So if you found that a particular question was actually helpful, you can select this happy emoji and tell us what you like. Similarly, if you didn't like the question or found it to be irrelevant, or you had any other concern, select this sad emoji and tell us about it. Well, this was all about us, and I hope we at Whizlabs were able to clear all your doubt and answer all your queries, and that you have decided to choose us as your learning partner. If so, sign up for an account and start your cloud computing journey with us. Wishing you all the best for your future.